Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the cursor back on your HP Omen Transcend 14. And you can see that I do have a cursor being displayed on my screen, but if you don't, then there will be a few things that you can do in order to bring it back. So at first we need to check whether that touchpad isn't accidentally whether our touchpad isn't accidentally disabled through the keyboard. So if you go to your keyboard and see the F11, if it's on red, then your touchpad is disabled if there's a little red light. And in order to enable it, you either need to click on that F11 combined with F1 at the same time, or in my case, it'll be F11 alone. If you want to learn more about the function keys and the F1 key, you can watch a video on how to use function keys on this laptop. But now let's get to so you should put your F11 key into not lighting up on red. And now it'll be, you can check if your touchpad is now working. If it's not, then you should click on Windows key on your keyboard and type in settings or whatever it's named in your language. Then click on Tab key until you're pointing on home. And if you go too far, then you can click on Shift combined with Tab to go back to the home. Once you're pointing on home, just go down with arrows to Bluetooth and devices and click on space. Click on Tab until you're pointing on devices and go with arrows to touchpad and click on space. Then make sure it's on. If it's off, then click on space to enable it. Now you can close this. Look if your touchpad is now working. If it's not, then click on Alt F4 to close settings, or Alt Fn F4. Either of those should work depending on your Fn configuration. Now if your touchpad still isn't working, then you may want to just restart your laptop. And in order to do it, click on Alt, once no app is opened, click on Alt F4, or if your Fn key is lighting up on the keyboard, then click on Alt Fn and F4 at the same time to see this screen. Now with arrows, make sure that you've selected the shutdown, but as you can see, I can't really select it. If you can, then select it and click on Enter. But if like in my case you can't, then press and hold on the power key until your whole keyboard stops lighting up, including the light on the power button. Wait for 15 seconds and click on the power button again and see if it now works. And make sure that just your touchpad isn't disabled through the first or the second method, and it should be back on and working. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.